Texas pig hunting. It's going down. Got old Justin Rackley with us.
You better not miss like last time.
Hey, when did I miss last time?
Oh,
maybe a few shots.
You want to replay the footage?
I have it. I kept it.
We got old Mysterious Brad over here. All right, so we're going. How many acres do you think we're hunting tonight?
We'll be looking at probably 11,000.
11,000 acres tonight, all farmland. It's been untouched for long time.
15 years.
10 plus years. So there's a good chance we're coming off a full moon. There's a good chance we're gonna see a lot of stuff moving tonight. We don't plan on staying out all night because me and Justin are going deer hunting in the morning, but we can see what we can't find. Some more of that.
Having fun. I like filming, Mike.
Huh?
I like filming. How big do you think that pig is, Mike?
30 yards.
He's big.
I don't know.
In the middle of the field's big.
He just took 7 bullets, so whatever that means to you. This is the smaller one of the two. We're trying to be quiet. There's a big group of pigs over there. Oh, ever heard of a Texas heart shot? I have. Got a little tumor. That'll work.
Time for some more.
Let's go get on some more. Alright guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. We gotta get up and go deer hunting. Ended up with 2 pigs. We saw a bunch of pigs, but they were some were on some other property we couldn't hunt, and some were just too far. It just wasn't worth chasing after them. So we got 2 down. It was a successful night, and we are gonna be successful in the morning. What do you
Heck
think?
yeah. And we're gonna have some oats for breakfast.
Oats?
Yep.
Oats in the backstrap?
Because we ripped up an oat field tonight.